Good morning. I am parked right in front of a house I'm about to go give you a tour of. It's one of my listings here in the Woodlands Hills, Texas, but it is the Brightland DRB Palm floor plan. So if you are watching this later and looking at the Palm floor plan for new construction, this is going to be a great walkthrough for you. If you happen to be watching this now, kind of spring, summer of 2026, then this is going to be a great option for you because of the location and the price. But either way, here's a walkthrough of the DRB Palm plan here in the Woodlands Hills, Texas. All right, here it is. And yes, this exact house is for sale right now. This is end of April 2026 here in the Woodlands Hills. But it is a walkthrough of the Palm floor plan by DRB Homes. You may see it online as Brightland or Gehan. It's the same builder. They've just kind of merged over the years, but it is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, just under 2,000 square feet. And you may also see it as a 3-bedroom. That is an option when you're buying it new construction, but this is great because it is a 4-bedroom. I'm gonna walk you on through. I mentioned location before I go through. I suppose I'll let you know. We're on kind of this side of Montgomery, really close to the pools and fitness centers, just right down the street here and curving off to the right. So 0.4-mile walk to all of the beautiful amenities here in the Woodlands Hills. So that's why I was mentioning that this one, if you are looking right now, is a great opportunity because of the location. The newer construction is fantastic, but it is in a different section of the neighborhood, a little bit further from amenities. And price on this one, we're under $350. We're at $349. The new construction of this floor plan with 4 bedrooms starts in the $360s. So because of price and location, this is gonna be a great option for you. If you're watching this later, this is probably not gonna be on the market anymore, but wanted to let you know. Another thing they've done, so it's tile flooring and then you've got engineered hardwood. So almost no carpet except in the primary bedroom, but let me give you an idea of floor plans. So over here we have one of the secondary bedrooms. It's the biggest of the secondary bedrooms. And then you have your 2-car garage and your laundry room here, coat closet there. Here we have the 2 additional secondary bedrooms and full bathroom. Right in here is the main living, kitchen, dining, open concept, and then primary bedroom is tucked privately in the back. So as you can see, we have these recessed ceilings up here. So pretty. Okay, we're gonna go over here to the right. A really large laundry room. And this house also does come with the washer, dryer, and refrigerator. It's another value add bonus for this house. Really big, as you can see. Bedroom, huge window. And then I'll show you 2-car garage so you can get an idea of size on that. Full 2-car garage. You have this bumper here, so you can see that on camera to kind of step up and walk into the home. Okay, let's go take a peek at this wing. You've got another closet here, and this is one of the bedrooms, and they've replaced carpet in all of the house except for, like I said, the primary bedroom. Double door closet, and then right across the way we have the other bedroom. Huge window and double door closet, and then the full bathroom in between. So I love that too because every single bedroom in this house is private, pretty private, like no shared walls. So this one is separated by the bathroom here. Tub and shower combo. Nice upgraded lighting that they've done here. Dark wood on this bathroom cabinetry, really pretty. Yes, but so with the 1 bedroom here, the 2 bedrooms here separated by the bathroom, and then the primary way in the back, just tons of privacy from every single bedroom in this home. Real quick interruption to let you know, in case we haven't met, my name is Candis Hidalgo. I'm a resident and realtor right here in the Woodlands Hills. So if you're thinking about making a move here to this community, please reach out. I serve all over the Houston suburbs. My family and I relocated here from California 5 years ago. We absolutely love it. So I really have a heart for helping people relocate here to Texas and here to the Woodlands Hills. So if you have any questions, reach out. I have people reaching out for my YouTube videos all the time, and I love it. I love helping, and I do these videos for you. All right, let's go finish the tour. So as you can see, very large, open concept living room. They used to have kind of their TV situation here with the floating couch and love seat here. Dining was there. You can see the photos online if you look at the listing of how the furniture would go. Tons of seating at the island as well. You have seating all the way around here. And then I'm standing in the dining room. And then as you can see, just windows galore. Windows here and windows all along the back elevation of the home. Let's take a closer look at the kitchen. You have this nice thick granite 5-burner gas stove. I love a 5-burner gas stove. Nice hardware pulls they've added onto the kitchen. You wouldn't get that with a new construction. Pantry, let's take a look at the pantry. Really good sized pantry. Let me take a closer look at this backsplash for you. It's this really pretty seafoam bluish green horizontal subway tile. It's really large tiles. It's just pretty. So here's the kind of look from this angle, standing in the back corner of the kitchen. Yes, fridge does come with it. Has one of those front door opening and fan in the living room. And then let's go into the primary suite and bathroom, and then I'll take you out back to end the tour. Fan in here, 3 huge windows overlooking your backyard. Double French doors leading into the primary bathroom. Soaking tub. Glass encased shower with bench. Nice large closet in the primary suite with, you have built-in shelves in here. Dual sinks. And your water closet here. All right, let's take a look out back. And I'll give you an idea, better idea of location as well back here. Oops. So large covered patio. And that light goes on. There we go. Light goes on. Pre-wired if you wanted to add a fan. You could put your TV there, probably grill here, and just hang out. And plenty of size in this backyard. Really good size backyard, but also very private backyard. And this is also something that you don't always get with a new construction. I mean, look at your backyard. There's just tons of trees. And then, this is the peekaboo I said I was gonna give you. Right through there, you can see a trail, and that is called the Peace Park Trail, but it leads right over to the different section of the neighborhood where you can hop right over to the pool. So really great location here at this house. And let me actually step back, and so you can see the rear elevation of the home as well. I'll give you a peek at the side yard. Good sized side yard, so just good space from your neighbors as well. You can see this buffer of trees in the back. Beautiful, nice and private. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the tour. If you have not checked out any of my other videos on the Woodlands Hills, be sure to do that because I take you behind the scenes in all of the amenities, the pools, the parks, the fitness center, the dog parks, all of it. So check out my channel if you want an insider's look at the Woodlands Hills. Also, be sure to watch my video about the top 5 mistakes people make when buying new construction here in the Houston suburbs. You don't want to miss that. All right, see you on the next video. Bye-bye.